Close your eyes, relax. It's absolutely fine to let go. To let go of your defenses, to let go of your barriers. It is safe to simply let go. Connected with your records, surrounded by your guides, led by the record keepers and the helpers. You are now embarking on a journey where you will close the open-ended loops that are now ready and ripe for closure. Whatever patterns that have served you earlier, whatever belief systems that have served you earlier, no longer serving you. We are putting up a petition for closure of those loops. Petition to the creator of all that is to now dismantle, revoke and dissolve this open-ended loop that was once started, whether in this lifetime or in some other lifetime, in some other timeline. Whenever this was started with a purpose, it was serving something to you. Now no longer is of relevance or of use to you. Whatever that loop is, has been. The petition is being put up for closure thereof, completion thereof. Part of the petition is also a remapping, a recalibration of the mind map of the belief systems that supported that loop, that pattern. The pattern existed because there was a need for it. And as you now petition for closure thereof, completion thereof, that need also has to be released, to be given up, to be let go of. Release, let go, release, let go, release, let go. The payoff from the pattern that is now fulfilled in some other way, which does not self-sabotage, which happens in divine design, in alignment with your highest good and greatest joy. Where this pattern has been in the ancestral lineage, or where you have been carrying it from one lifetime to another as a strong suit, as a crutch, as a comfort zone, as a comforter. It is now time to be okay, to let go of all of those aspects too. Mother Kuan Yin energies fill up your beingness with her compassion, kindness, love, and support. And this support, this unconditional love from Mother Kuan Yin gives you what this pattern had been giving you. The comfort that you were drawing from this pattern is now drawn from Mother Kuan Yin. She embraces you with her divine beingness and her divine blessings. Expansiveness, a sense of holistic healing, an awareness of the abundant self that you truly be in every sense of the word. All of it is now yours and anchored in you as a strong and undeniable, invincible knowing. Wherever you lack clarity in life, wherever you lack conviction in life, wherever you lack courage in life, wherever you have chosen complexity over simplicity in your belief systems, in your beingness, it is now time to shed those beliefs which no longer serve you. You are divinely guided and guarded at all times. You are loved. You are loved in totality. All parts of you are embraced, accepted, nurtured, acknowledged, and celebrated. You are a beloved child of the universe, and the universe holds you in absolute rapture, in absolute joyfulness. Mother Kuan places her blessed hands on you, on your heart, on the back of your heart, such that your heart space fills up with a beautiful pink frequency, pink light, the loving energies, the loving frequencies that is being bestowed upon you by her. Pure grace, pure love, pure compassion, pure kindness for you through and through. She blesses you with a sense of self which is whole and complete, a sense of beingness that is anchored within, not on any external person or resource. She caresses your head. She blesses you, places her hand on the top of your head to give you her blessings. Fill up your energy body with the beautiful, warm, fluid-like divine flow of light, healing frequencies, all the healing frequencies that she carries and that she bestows upon you, chosen to receive this in this moment. As a reward, as a result, as a blessing from many, many lifetimes of serving her in essence or otherwise. She holds you like her own child. She holds you just like Mother Mary holds baby Christ. Absolutely with unconditional love. Celebrating your existence, celebrating your essence. Giving you a deep, deep sense of well-being, wellness, and wholeness. All the lifetimes and timelines where you have been abandoned or where you abandoned yourself, your sense of who you truly were. all of that is now being erased, is now being overwritten with the signature of unconditional love and acceptance of you by the Divine Mother, by Mother Kuan Yin. Wherever your own biological mother in some lifetime or in some timeline abandoned you, abused you, failed to recognize and acknowledge you, all of those wounds, all of those memories are now ready to be dissipated, to be released. Let it all go. Let it all go. Your healing is whole and complete. Your healing is effective from this very moment, forever and forevermore. The symbol of infinity and a beautiful heart and the symbol of yin and yang at the center of the symbol of infinity. This whole structure, this whole construct is now placed in your heart for you to feel a constant flow of love, a constant balance for your physical reality and existence. For howsoever long you choose to be in this physical reality, they shall keep on serving you and will go back to wherever it is coming from when you choose to exit this lifetime. Very gently open your eyes whenever you are ready to. Bringing back all your conscious thoughts, your conscious self into this reality. Rub your palms, place them on your face. Allow yourself your own time to get back in fullness in the here and now.